Hello again from Car Key Solutions Workshop, where today we have secured a Porsche Cayman S. What exactly have we did? We've installed one of the most advanced anti-theft devices on the market, which is the Ghost II. As it was featured on ITV a few months back, we strongly recommend this as being one of the most advanced devices to protect for anti-theft protection. And just to give you a quick glimpse in how it works, you're basically going to get inside the car, try to turn the ignition on to run the engine, and nothing will happen. Same if you have a push start vehicle. So we're just going to show you now. Bring the ignition on, turn it. There's absolutely no indication on a dash for the reason that the car is not starting. It's just not starting. So it will be very difficult for anyone to understand why this is happening. So this is how the Ghost works. Basically, it will be like a sort of procedure of chip and pin. You have to input a code from buttons inside the car. They could be any buttons, and a combination that can be changed as many times as you want. Combination from 4 to 20 presses. So definitely one of the best devices for anti-theft protection, and is installed here in Car Key Solutions Workshop, either to us, one of our workshop around London, or mobile to your location. So get in touch if you want to secure your car.